Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at the Nike Dunk Low GORE-TEX. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Dunk Low GORE-TEX shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11, and this pair is in the black Anthracite Off-Noir colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and let's peel back the packing or wrapping paper to reveal the Nike Dunk Low GORE-TEX. Let's lift out the left shoe first and take a look at its details. Just closing the box back up and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at this Nike Dunk Low GORE-TEX in the black Anthracite Off-Noir colourway. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have that full and clear initial look before we take much closer in look at its details. And now taking a much closer in look at its details so we can see the overall kind of dark colour of the shoe, and with the upper, the contrasting black and anthracite details. So you can see the perforation or dimples in the toe box and the graining of the leather making up the upper of the shoe, and the finely grained leather for the mudguard in black. And they both have a low gloss sheen to it. And slowly moving towards the back or quarter panel or midfoot panel of the shoe. You can see with the eye stays in black as well and matching black stitching. But quite noticeably we can see a matte finish Nike swoosh. And just giving you a sense of the depth or thickness of that Nike swoosh in that anthracite or dark grey finish, and just pressing on it and dragging my finger along its surface so it feels like a thick chunk or panel of rubber making up that Nike swoosh. Now once again we see the graining of the leather upper of the shoe and the various panels, and of course the GORE-TEX tag or label just tucked under the tail or back end of that Nike swoosh, and just giving you a close-up look at the tag and on the underside or reverse side of it. So there, the GORE-TEX for that liquid resistance for this pair of Nike Dunk Low GORE-TEX. And now taking a look directly at the back or heel of the shoe, we can see the Nike branding with a glossy finish. And what feels like a plastic coating to it. So you can see the various textures and the way light plays against the various surfaces or panels and the overlays. So over here with the collar we can see that there's some textile making up the upper as well. So once again, back to the inner side of the shoe, we see that puffy molded rubber Nike swoosh in that matte anthracite or dark grey finish. And moving back towards the front of the shoe, just giving you a sense of the leather upper. And now taking a look directly from the tip or front of the shoe and slowly moving towards the back or along the length of it, so you can see the details in one clean move. So we can see with the laces appear to be in anthracite, and with the tongue in anthracite and quite puffy with that textile construction. And the tongue label, we can see that Nike swoosh in that similar glossy plasticized finish, matching with that back Nike detail on the heel. And taking a look behind the tongue, and let's remove the paper stuffing that's in there. And of course the materials label as well, or sticker, just giving you a look at the materials making up the shoe. So I'm just going to tuck that back on the insole without obscuring the sock liner or insole details too much. But nonetheless, back to the back of the tongue, giving you a look at the tongue label on the inside of the shoe. And of course, in terms of the plushness or puffiness, it does have a very puffy or thick tongue with a firm level of density right there, or thickness. And in terms of the ankle and heel collar, does have a kind of standard level of thickness to it and a light to medium level of firmness. So giving you a look on the inside. Now we can see overall very dark on the inside of the shoe, with the white contrasting Nike swoosh on the sock liner. It's right there. And of course with the material sticker right there, putting it right back after removing the paper stuffing from it. So overall, details of the inside of this pair of Nike Dunk Low GORE-TEX. And now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, we can see the overall, I would say, Off-Noir color of the rubber sole. And we can see the traction pattern varying slightly from the regular Dunk details. First giving you a look along its length. So you can see with the pivot circle and the radiating pattern or concentric circles around it, very fine traction pattern around that main pivot circle, and we can see those wavy lines in the tread blocks as well for water or liquid evacuation. So enhance winterization with this pair with the liquid resistance and the traction pattern as well. So giving you that close-up look at that very fine detail to those curvy lines within the tread blocks and on the shoulders as well, to aid in water dispersion or evacuation, providing that winterized grip in wet weather. And now let's do a flexibility actually. Let me drag my finger along that rubber sole, and of course tapping my fingernail on it. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. Now just popping the shoe back in shape. And tucking the laces back behind the tongue. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So just setting the left shoe down. And in the background of the second frame. And popping out the right shoe from this Nike Dunk Low GORE-TEX in the black Anthracite Off-Noir colorway. Now let's do a 360 rotation with this shoe as well for that initial clear look. And now taking a look at the hang tag that's on the shoe, so we can see a GORE-TEX hang tag with some product information. Flip it around. So you can see the details that's on it. Okay. And now taking an overall look. So once again we see the dark colorway of this shoe with the black and anthracite and of course Off-Noir details. And with the leather upper with some textile for the collar around the ankle and heel, and of course having that enhanced or improved water evacuation for that rubber sole. Of course, taking a look at the inside details of the shoe, so you can see just popping out the paper stuffing for a clearer look on the inside with that white printed Nike swoosh on that black foam sock liner. So inside details of the shoe, and of course the GORE-TEX branding on that rubber Nike swoosh, or just tucked under it. So giving you a look on the underside of that tag and on the side as well. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And from above. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike Dunk GORE-TEX. Thanks for watching and happy walking!